if everyone knew who they truly were and what they truly wanted in life, the whole world would change. And the great thing is that it's a skill. It's a skill that we can learn and practice. We just need to take time and create space for that to take place. We invest so much time in so many different things or distractions, but the one big resource that we have is ourselves. And how can we turn ourselves into the sharpest arrow possible? It's by carving it slowly but surely and making it sharp and pointing it in the right direction. And then aim it on what your true purpose in life is. And that movement, it creates this energy, it puts so much different things in motion, and while you're doing that, it just attracts other people because you're just radiating in this force of life. For me, that is what unleashing of potential is.